Hi everyone, here we are at the Dollar Tree and we are in the crafter section, so I thought we'd take a look, walk around and see if they brought in anything new. Come on with me, guys. These little vases here, they caught my attention. Look how beautiful they are, and I'm absolutely loving that gold leaf. So these are not necessarily new, but all of these colors are new to this Dollar Tree. They have tons of canvases, so that's pretty good, and also plenty of yarn. Now I am noticing that they did stock up on the crochet needles and the knitting needles, and that's pretty much so far. Let's see. Now I think this is right here, a wood carving set. That's new to this Dollar Tree. So I think I gotta pick that up. Now this is really nice. They got the fat quarters back, and so they have some fabric in Halloween and just different types of fabric. I love it when they bring these in because these things are great when you're crafting. not really seeing too many new things at this Dollar Tree. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.